afternoon, everyone. I'm Mohamed Raisul Mahim.
And I'm Sunny Mohammed Anna.
And we're tasked to discuss the whole series, or specifically the whole reason. Now, first off, Sunny will discuss the favorite whole type and the standard.
Here, after we chose the whole result, we can see here in our left section, we have the favorites, whole type, whole specifications, end condition, options, and tolerance or differentiations. And we will be discussing the whole type, whole specifications, and end condition, as these three are the ones that we are going to mainly be using. First, we have our whole types here. We have 9 kinds of whole types: the counterbore, countersink hole, and the taper straight tap, taper tap, and the legacy hole. Counterbore, single slot, and kinds of slots. Here we will be using the counterbore hole. And as you can see, if we pick counterbore or the countersink, we cannot put it on our shape or the tube. Before we put it, we need to use the position. As here instructed, we must select a face or a hole for the hole or slot position. It means we will be choosing what kind of plane, a top plane, right plane, and the front plane. So we will be choosing the front top plane of the tube, so that we can put our types of hole we want to put in our tube. As you can see, it is indicated that we have our hole here. After we can see our indicated of the hole, we click, and we see our hole is in the shape or in the tube or the geometry. And after we click that, we can edit. While in this stage, we can edit our hole, make it look like countersink hole, legacy hole, or make it also a slot. And we will be using the slot here for the countersink slot. And click check for the applications to apply in our shape. Next one is the the hole specifications. As the first example we gave, that the size of the hole is 1/4. So let's pick a plane again. Let's pick the top plane. And after we pick the top plane, let's pick a type of hole we want to use. Let's pick again the countersink hole. And try to change here in the hole specification area. We will change it to 1/2. You see the size varies in what type of hole you want to use. 1/2. This is a 1/2 size of a countersink hole. It's not. We will be using the through all, so that we will make the hole through the shape of in our shape or our geometry. And click press OK or check for the application to apply in the shape. Moving on to the the hole conditions or the end conditions here in the hole wizard, which will be discussed by my group, Rise.
Now, to make it easy, first off, end condition is something that we would use if we want to simply put a hole that will be connecting the first hole and the second hole that we will make. Now, to understand it better, we will try the up to next end condition and see how to use this. As you can see, first off, we can select the position and the type. Position. After we click check, as we will see that the hole only goes through this first hole or second hole that we made, and it cannot go through here. And these two are now connected. Now, for the second part, hole wizard. And if we're going to use blind position, same number, then click type to edit. We're going to use countersink slot. Okay, use this. Let's do 4 inch. Now if we click this, the blind end condition is something that we could use if we want to manipulate the size or the distance in which we would make our hole.
And I think that's all. Thank you, sir.